What's up, everybody? This is Charmander 64's dad, known as Abba, only to him though. But anyways, I'm here reporting on the new Transformers 5 trailer, the third one, and not just the regular third one, the extended version. You guys got to go watch it. But basically, I have one main theory and a couple other theories that I haven't really heard anybody talking about, and I'm a real Transformers fan, and I think that they're doing something big here, and they're trying to get all the fans, because see, Transformers fans are separated through the generations, and I think they're bringing all the generations in. It's a smart move by Michael Bay and the writers, and they're doing 3, 4, 5 different things all together. My theory is that they're gonna do G1, Transformers Prime, Transformers Animated, and Transformers Robot in Disguise, all fused into one new universe, which is this part 5. So check it out. Right here we have this little girl. I didn't even get her name. I just seen the trailer. I was excited, and she just brave and everything, and she strikes me like Sari from Transformers Animated. Sari was the daughter of a scientist, and in part 4, if you remember, the scientists, when they did the Galvatron and all that, they took that from Transformers Animated, when the scientist found Megatron's head, and he thought he was getting technology out of it, but really Megatron was playing them on the low, and that's exactly what happened in part 4. That's exactly what that is. So that's Sari right there anyway. And there's another clip. She lives on a junkyard. She doesn't seem to have any parents, and it looks like she's part of the Transformers family with Bumblebee, Mark Wahlberg's character, and Grimlock's there. And see, there we go, Transformers Robots in Disguise, my bad. That's that. There was a junkyard, Grimlock, and Bumblebee as the leader, because Optimus had died. Now that's exactly what's happening here, because they don't know where Optimus is at, and he might be dead, and the trailer shows that he was out of Energon and stuff. So here's a couple clips from the junkyard, and then so what really happens is Optimus meets his creators, and it's a female version of a smaller robot, much more smooth and not rough around the edges, real more modern. And so check it out, they got him hammed up, and basically these creators are a take on G1, and that's the quintessence or whatever they're called, the creators. And also they're having Hot Rod on this one. He might be Rodimus Prime, just like in G1. See how they're bringing everything in. And then there's 4 Transformers that are in almost all the movies up to this point. They weren't in all of them, but they're still alive. There's Bumblebee, there's Optimus, there's Barricade, and there's Megatron. Now that's big. I don't even know how Barricade got, like, they got a big plan for him, I think. But anyhow, another thing, there's a human-like robot coming down some stairs. See that? Human size, holding a light, which is weird. So I'm thinking she's holding like a candle or something. So I'm thinking it's like back in the days, in the time period. In the beginning of the trailer, you can see that Transformers were part of the King Arthur and the Round Table, and so that's something else. Tell a little history. There's also a guy, check it out, he's like some Illuminati guy hiding the secrets of the Transformers and why they come back, and he must know that they live on, here we go, Transformers Prime coming into it, Unicron. Unicron is planet Earth, and this is why Optimus comes back with the purple eyes. Now they're people trying to say that it's Transformers Prime with him mixed with Dark Energon, but that's not the case, because his eyes are purple. And there's a scene right here, check it out, from Transformers Prime, when Unicron wakes up, and he can form anywhere, as many as he wants around, and he tries to take out Optimus Prime, and Optimus Prime does his thing. Well, anyways, there's a scene right here, check it out. Unicron, there's like 6 of them around him, and Optimus just takes them out. Their eyes are red. So it's not Dark Energon. He's actually under the spell or whatever reprogramming of the creators, because he was hemmed up because obviously he wanted to get some answers and fight, and they hemmed him up because they're stronger than him, and they reprogrammed him, hypnotized him or whatever. But when they asked him the question that his planet was destroyed because of it was his fault, and if he wants to seek redemption, it seemed to turn his eyes purple and went back. Now the reason why, there's a clip right here, bam, he tells a girl that in order for his world to survive, her world must die, meaning the planets. And that's because Primus and Unicron are mortal enemies. I'm pretty sure they're going to come up with a solution where they put Unicron dormant again. There's going to be some technology, and I think that girl has something to do with it, and a bunch of other stuff. Check out these clips. I'm just going to end this with some clips. Like the video. Please like the video. But subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Share it on all your social media. And when you share it, just tell them to subscribe. Like it. We're trying to build this page. And we're bringing some real good, accurate information. So, this is Charmander Dad. Charmander 64's dad signing off.